Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the formatting tags. So, formatting means already you will be working with Windows, Microsoft Word or some Word editors, right? So, you will be typing something, you will be selecting it, you will be applying bold, italic, underline or some styles, right? The same thing you can do it in HTML with the help of code. So, if you want to change the style or you want to give some special effect to the text, you can use this formatting elements. So there are many formatting elements like bold, important, italic. So many things are there. We'll see one by one. So the basic thing is bold, italic and underline. In this video, you will see that. So the first tag is bold tag. So bold tag will thicken the font appearance. So it will be in a bolded format. So that is called as bold tag. So if you want to apply the bold tag, you have to give the text content between this tag. B and slash B. Whatever you are giving in between this B and slash B will be bolded. So here is an example, section 2 formatting tags. So this is the normal text. Simply I am printing a paragraph. Then the next paragraph, this text is bold like that. I have typed the content. I am typing this between the bold tags B and slash B. So my output of this line will be in a bold format. See, this is normal text. This text is bold. If you want to make some text as to be important, then you can use strong tag. So strong and slash strong. So here I have given this text is strong. I have given this between strong and slash strong. So my output will be in this format. So what is the difference between this bold and strong is you don't have any difference in the output. Only the semantical usage will be differing. If you want to make the text to be just bolded, you use B tag. If you want to make that it is an important one, you can refer it with the help of strong tag in your code. But in your output screen, more or less it will be same. Bold tag and strong tag, both the things you will be getting the same output. Only the usage of the semantical meaning will be varying. So this is bold and important tag. The next one is italic tag. So you want the text to be printed in a cursive writing way, that is slightly tilted way you want to print, means you can use the italic tag. So I and slash I, whatever content you are giving between I and slash I will be italicized. So here I have given this text is italic. I have given it between this I and slash I tag. So this is a paragraph. Inside this I have used this italic tag. Same way emphasis tag starts with em and ends with slash em. So the next paragraph, this text is emphasized. So italic and emphasized will have similar outputs. So this text is italic, this text is emphasized. So the output will be looking the same. So if you want to give importance, you use emphasis tag. If you want to just make it italic, you use I tag. But the output will be same. Only the semantic usage will be different. The next one is underline tag. So underline tag, you give the content between U and slash U. You'll get a line. So I have two sentences in this paragraph. This text is underlined. I have given between U and slash U. Should not confuse with hyperlink. This is the second line. I have not underlined it. So look at my output. This text is underlined, alone is underlined. So whenever you are using this underline tag, you should be very careful. Very necessarily you want to use this underline means you can use. Otherwise you need not use this. Why? Because there may be a chance that people get confused with hyperlink, because hypertext, we'll see anchor tag in the forthcoming videos. It will also will be having a line under it. If you're clicking it, the mouse will change to this hand symbol, and if you're clicking it, it will be redirected to some other pages or some other locations. So that hyperlinks or that anchor tag should not be confused with this underlined tag. So wherever very mandatorily you want to use means you use this underline tag. For knowledge purpose I have taught that, but try to skip it. Don't use this underline tag much often. So in the next video we'll be seeing the other set of tags. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. Thank you.